How to curve text in Photopea. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can curve text in Photopea. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, start a project. You can just use any project that you previously used or create a new one just as I did. Now, you'll need to add a text. On the left sidebar, you'll find the T option for text. Press on it, and now you can add a text. So simply type in whatever you want. I'll just type in subscribe, and you can type in whatever you want, or you can simply select everything which you want to curve as well. So I'll just copy this and move this to a bit middle, which you don't really need to do. Now after that, tap on the warp option on the top here. Tap on warp, and there you'll see style. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you'll find the arc option. Tap on arc, and there you go, you have just curved your text. Now if you want to change the curve, you can simply use this blend option. If you increase the percentage, it will just curve more, and if you take it to negative, it will just curve like a smiley face. And that's basically how you do this. Now you can do it as you'd like, and you're good to go. And that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.